Bingo, bango, bongo.
Ding.
Are you really Matthew McConaughey?
Yes, I am.
Would you sleep with my girlfriend?
No, I will not.
Can I tell people that you did?
No, you cannot.
They ask me why you wanna ride around.
Greetings, McConaughey!
Is that Woody?
What the hell are you doing here?
I just needed time to decompress. Decompress from what?
How is it that someone who lives with 3 women knows so little about women?
Honestly, you can be very confounding as a gender.
If you know,
Maybe it's not a total coincidence that you and Matthew are always scrapping like brothers.
Mom, Mac, are you saying
You and Matthew might be brothers.
yes?
Buckle up, Chuckle.
I will end you, man.
Am I being trafficked?
If you know.
We're going deep today, huh?
This is all very dramatic.
Of course I'm dramatic. I'm a thespian.
You know.
Oscar winner, Oscar. What do you call it when you don't?
Nominee.
Nominee.